My name is Kara Anderson and I'm a rising senior from the University of Delaware. I am double majoring in pre-veterinary medicine / animal biosciences and agricultural and natural resources. I was an intern for the Envision program for the summer of 2019. I had the privilege of working in Dr. Biddle's equine microbiome laboratory. Despite not having much experience with horses or with studying the equine microbiome, I gained several skills involving laboratory techniques, website development, and video production. Specifically, I am working on the Equine Microbiome Project, which is modeled after the American Gut Project. Through this project, we have been collecting fecal samples from horses all over the country and extracting the DNA from them. Then, we send those samples out to get sequenced. From there, we classify the various microorganisms in the horse's guts and relate the populations of bacteria to their health status. My part of the project involved promotional efforts and creation of avenues to make the project more accessible to the general public. Specifically, I created 2 videos for the lab, one that fundraised for the project by informing people of what the project is all about and why they should donate to it, and another that demonstrated how horse owners could collect fecal samples themselves to send it to get sequenced. Furthermore, I helped develop the early stages of a website that will hopefully become the main hub for the project. On this website, horse owners will be able to view recommendations for their horses based on data previously collected. They will be able to input numbers to see where their horses fall on various scales. The public can learn more about the project and what it entails, and other researchers will be able to access data and perhaps add their own data as it relates to the project. Lastly, I have assisted with social media promotion through helping create weekly posts that inform the public of common microbes and how they relate to horses.
Hi, my name is Alexa Johnson and I'm a PhD student in the Biddle Lab and we work on the Equine Microbiome Project. So the Equine Microbiome Project is building a comprehensive library of equine fecal samples to look at bacterial DNA. And so this is mimicked after the Human Microbiome Project, but is exclusively for horses. Our goal with this project is to collect data and bacterial DNA and then correlate it with horse health factors, environmental factors, management practices to see if any of these different variables affect our horse's health. So to collect as many samples as possible, we collect feces from horses of all ages, breeds, disciplines, and health statuses to really evaluate all different management practices in every horse that's out there. So we'll either contact barns and ask them if they're interested in being part of the Equine Microbiome Project, but we also have private owners contact us and ask us to sequence their horse's microbiome to help them evaluate their own horse's health. And so owners can purchase fecal kits from us, and then in return we give them a comprehensive microbiome analysis at the phyla level for them to analyze with their own veterinarian.
Through my project, I've been able to start bridging the gap between science and the community. The website will make it so much more accessible for horse owners to find out if what they are feeding is the best for their horses, and they will be able to easily participate in the project if they would like. Additionally, this webpage will make it extremely easy for someone who does not have a background in science to explore the project, the data, and the recommendations based on the results.